Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to connect PolyRouter with Antigravity. As you can see, my PolyRouter is connected. All model is showed right here. Okay, when I go right here and code, choose here and write PolyRouting. All models here from Polama and NVIDIA, it showed right here in PolyRouter. As you can see, it works fine. Okay, first thing first, go ahead to Google. You go to node.js.org/download and download Node.js for Windows from here or Mac from here. After downloading and installing Node.js, go here to PolyRouter. Wanna install PolyRouter using this command, copy. You are right here. Open command prompt, paste it here, and hit enter. Okay, fine, the installation of PolyRouter is done. Now copy PolyRouter, Ctrl C, go down, Ctrl V, and hit enter to run PolyRouter. Okay, choose the first one, web UI, open a browser. Now you have to add your own password, new password, 8 characters. Retype your password. Okay, hit login. Okay, now enable this required API key here and create your own API key. Rename what you want. If API test. Copy your API key and go right here. Create new text file. Okay, paste your API key and minimize this one and this one. Now return here and hit that. The next thing I want to do is to go here to tunnel and enable it from here. Start tunnel. Okay, socket hang up. We have to try 2 to 3 times work. We'll try start tunnel. Okay, as you can see, my tunnel is created. And now let's move here to providers. Wanna choose this one, free tier providers. Okay, let's test this one. Wanna choose Olama Cloud. Add connection. For the API key, just write free like this. And this place. And check. Olama. Write it here. Hit save. Return here to providers. Let's choose this. NVIDIA. Add connection. Huawei. NVIDIA. API key. Free. Let's see it works or not. Wallet. Yes. Okay, for me I want to choose this one because it's for testing purposes only. For you, if you want to use it, you can test it as you want. Choose any provider as you want, many providers. Okay, now let's move to the next step. Or the next step is to return here and the point and key and return right here. Open Antigravity. Okay, once it's open, we have to go right here. The extension is and search for kilo. Okay, kilo code, AI coding, agent compiled auto. Install this extension. Okay, now let's return right here. Let's choose any folder as you want. From folder, let's create folder here. For example, I want to rename it H. Select folder. Yes. Yes. Now click here to kilo and go right here to settings and go down providers. Choose this custom provider, hit connect. Okay, my provider ID is PolyRouter. I copy the same here. Provider API, choose OpenAI-compatible. Base URL, this one, this URL. Hit copy from here and return here to Antigravity. Paste right in. For the API key, this is my API key that I copied previously. Copy, paste right here. Okay, for the model is ID, write this command auto/coding field. Display name PolyRouter. Go down right here, add those models. Okay, fine. Go down, it's white. Okay, as you can see, my PolyRouter is connected successfully. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial. This is how to connect PolyRouter to Antigravity.